Hi, welcome to another video of Miss T Ideas. Today I'm going to make some faux leather. This is one of my journals that I made with faux leather. This is my first time making some, and I'm going to show you how it's done. This is one of my journals because I have another journal that I want to put some leather on. Faux leather, of course. Welcome to my channel. I welcome everybody that's here. I welcome the people that have been here. I welcome the newcomers. Please like, share, and subscribe to this video. I appreciate you so much for being here. And I'm just to get started. Thank you. All right. This is my journal. This is one of my journals. And I got coffee dyed papers and everything in here. I even made a tassel. I even made a tassel for it. With little things. I got videos showing this. So if you want to see the whole thing, this journal being made, just go back in the videos. But right now I'm going to show you how to make this faux leather, just in case you don't know. And it's really simple. Let me tie this up. I'm going to put this in here first. Yeah, this is a tassel. I was into making tassels for my journals, and this is one of the tassels. I may make one for my my Bible. And I got hair jewelry. I got old beads. All of this is old broke up costume jewelry. Old broke up costume jewelry. It's tassel. And this here was white, but I coffee dyed it to get it like vintage. All right, let me put that there. And move this up the way. Got some beads in the back. Okay, what I'm gonna need for, move this up the way. Yeah, I'm doing this at my desk. And this here is not something that you would do, and you're not close to a sink. Hey, some people, hey, yeah, they can do it, but I'm doing it demonstration purposes wise. The last faux leather I made it at the sink, and when I paint around. You know, I don't paint at the sink, but when I'm dyeing papers and dyeing stuff, I do it at the sink. All right. First thing I'm gonna do. Okay, you need the paper. This is grocery brown bags. If you ever need some of these bags, just tell them bag your stuff in brown bags. They have them. All the stores have them. You know, they used to offer them to you, but they don't. They just put them in the little plastic bags and go on. Okay, that's neither here nor there. This is what I'm gonna do. I got two pieces, and I'm gonna make more than oh, this is a Ross's bag. Ross got some good bags. Ross, Hobby Lobby, yeah. I think Apperson's got the bags with the handles. But guess what? I got somebody sending me some Trader Joe bags. I've been wanting some Trader Joe bags bad. I like the colors on it and stuff. I like it. I've seen crafters use it, and where I'm at, we don't have a Trader Joe. So I like things that I can't get my hands on. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna stop yapping. I'm gonna take this, and this is a hefty bag. I'm gonna take this, and I'm going to try and ball it up. Try and ball it up. Okay, I said I needed this, and I need this. This is some conditioner. I ain't advertising for this conditioner. I got some cheap conditioner off the shelf. the cheapest conditioner I can get. You can even use glycerin. Okay, yeah, you can use glycerin. So, and it smells good when you're through too, because depending on what kind of shampoo conditioner you use. Any, don't even have to have a scent. Okay, now I'm gonna put this aside, and I'm gonna ball up this one. And I'm not worried about the writing on the bag because I'm not gonna use this side. I'm gonna put that one side. Okay. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dip this in the water. I gotta wet it. I got a bucket of a bowl of water on side of me, and I'm fixing to dip. Dip, 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 dip. Okay. I mean, you get it wet. You don't baptize it. You know. Get the bag wet, and then come back. And bring it. Now I'm gonna do this one. I'm doing two at a time. That's what the deal is. Two. Okay. I'm just kind of getting it wet. Because this bag is so tough, you got to be able to handle it, or it will handle you. Making faux leather. I made a wallet. I've made a date book, a calendar book, and I have it on other videos. Okay. My desk is getting christened. I hope you got a good light. I'm using the light from outside. My desk is getting christened because it's the first time. Well, it's getting christened with water, this much water on it. I would have to clean it from paints and stuff. Okay, I'm crumbling it up. And when you crumble it up, that's what's making the wrinkles in the leather. Okay? And this one here, I'm just taking this little water here, just because I have it, and helping myself. If you watching me and you make faux leather, let me know in the comment. I know a lot of people don't like to talk in the comments. Some people do, some people don't. But put a chunk the deuces, put a peace sign or something. If you've ever made faux leather, because all the comments y'all help the algorithm do what it's gonna do. Okay. Now, I'll take this one and I'm gonna lay it out. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is take this pineapple papaya. I'm gonna take this, put this on my hands. Yeah, you can't mess this up. You can't mess this up. Don't wet the paper too much because you already got to use this. I think some people may not put water and just go right on to the conditioner, but you're using a lot of conditioner like that. To me, but to each his own. To each his own. I ain't criticizing the way nobody do it because I know any better way I find doing anything. If I find a better way, that's what I'm gonna do. So I ain't knocking nobody for how to do it. As long as you get to the same destination, hey, okay. So I'm just showing you this step because all of these steps can be done on one video. Okay. I got lotion here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna ball it up again. Ball it up again. And I'm going to set this aside. Now, that maybe need to be wet a little bit more, but it's okay. I got the water inside me. I'm not scared. I ain't scared. Yeah, I got an order in yesterday that came from Temu, but it wasn't local. It was I didn't know no better. It wasn't local. It was from, overseas. Y'all, I know it took a month. Told y'all, I done forgot what I ordered. I mean, good thing it wasn't nothing pressing. You know. So, if I order something from Temu, and I ain't talking about Temu, I ain't saying nothing bad about them. If I order something from Temu, I'm sure everybody know the orders are taking a while. That's not local. I just try to pick the local stuff. Yeah. And look like they really truly look like they're trying to offer the local stuff more. Okay? Now, I got the lotion on here and I got it wrinkled. So what you're gonna do is I'm gonna open it one more time, okay? I'm gonna open it one more time and show you this is what we're looking for, wrinkles. And depending on how wrinkled you want it. But you gotta be gentle with it, this is paper. But when we through, it's gonna feel like leather. It's gonna feel like leather, and it's not gonna be it's gonna be rougher. Right now this is wet paper with conditioner on it, and conditioner make things. You know how to do in your hair. Don't go out and buy no expensive conditioner. Get the cheapest you can possibly find. Yeah, because this is what you're doing with it. And you might want to make a lot, because I'm making more than this. When I make leather, or when a person make leather, they need to make a lot. Because this is something you're not going to do every day. And these wrinkles here, the last step of it, these wrinkles is going to make a difference. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to end this video. Because that's it for this part one of this leather, faux leather making. I used conditioner, any kind, the cheapest kind you can find. I used water. First I wet the paper. I didn't soak it. I didn't drown it. I wet the paper, and nope. First I crumbled it. That's what I did. I crumbled the dry paper. Then I wet it, submerged it in water a little bit, and I uncrumbled it, and I put lotion on, conditioner on one side, conditioner on the other side, and I balled it back up. So offline, I'm gonna make some more and let it all dry on my kitchen counter. Now, if it happened to dry today, I might come back with part 2 of the video. But I don't know, I have to sit it outside. Okay, you're gonna let it dry, balled up. And paper when it's wet and you let it dry, hack. Okay. This is part 1 of making faux leather. This is Miss T Ideas. I thank you for being here. Please hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Please hit the like button. And subscribe to my channel. I'm on the road to 500. I think I'm at 428. Please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it very much. Thank you. Bye.